my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and it is a smoky eye. I actually did a smoky eye and a darker lip. I'm so excited to do this tutorial because I feel like now that we are entering fall and winter, we can do smoky looks and heavier makeup. Everything that I use today is from this month's Boxycharm box. If you guys have never heard of Boxycharm, it is a subscription service that you can get for $21 a month with 4 to 5 full-size items, and the items are worth over $100. So it's a really cool service for the glam girl or glam boy. And if you guys have never been to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button below. So let's get started on this smoky eye and bold lip makeup tutorial. So right now I have a bare face, and I'm going to start off with the eyes as usual, and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette in the Boxycharm box, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette, and it is a pretty smoky palette. So we're going to be doing a smoky eye, and I'm going to be using the Alamar brushes that also came in the Boxycharm. I'm going to take the big blending brush. I'm going to take the color Nocturnal right here. It is a light cream color, and I'm going to put it all over my lids. Next, I'm going to take another brush from the Alamar set, and I'm going to take this color Hide and Seek. It is a light brownish gray color. And I'm going to kind of pack on the eye. I'm going to take that blending brush and just blend it out a little bit. Next, I'm going to take the color Clutch. I'm going to take a pencil brush that I have, and I'm going to take that color. It's like a shimmery brown color, and I'm going to pack it on. Put it like a little bit less than the last Hide and Seek grayish brown color. This way I feel like I can build my smoky eye a lot, and I just create like this half circle in my crease and a little bit above it. That's how you pack on a smoky eye. This is how I did my makeup in high school, and I just literally packed on my eyeshadows. Once I have the brown on, I'm going to the color Flip Out, which is a dark brown color, and I'm going to use a pencil brush that I have, and I'm just going to kind of fill in the lid, not all the way to the top, but just kind of a little bit past my crease, just kind of like that. And then I'm going to take the flat brush from the Alamar set from the Boxycharm box, and I'm going to take this dark brown color called Swoop. Right over that last Flip Out color, I'm going to pack on the dark brown. And it almost looks like a black because we have been layering a lot of colors, so it almost does look like it could be a black. So I'm going to layer that on. Every color that I put on or paint on, I kind of go a little bit less, like right below the last color. So that way it looks more like a gradient. So I'm going to do it to the other side. And I'm going to take the original brush that I had. I'm going to take this flat shader brush that came in the Alamar set, and I'm going to take this black color right here called All Nighter, and with this brush I'm basically going to go where my eyeliner goes. Literally where the lash line is, I'm just going to go in, and that's going to create like this black smoky eye look, but it's not going to create like a full crazy dark black lid, because I feel like that I love. I don't really do that look anymore. I used to literally do that all the time because that was like the trend. We're gonna go back into the eyes again later, but I just want to get the top lid so we have everything set for the eye. And always go back into blending. So now I'm going to do my face. Now that I did my face, I'm going to take this Butter London Glazen Lustrous liner and line my eye. So let's line it. So right now we have like the black eyeshadow on the lash line. So I'm going to take this liner and don't think I'm going to actually do a winged line because I really just want to create a round smoky eye. So I'm just going to line it where the lash line is. Black liquid liners always help define the eye even more, so I love doing that on the lash line. Now the lashes are on, I'm going to actually go back into the Nightingale palette and smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm going to use the flat shader brush that I was using and kind of go through all of the colors that I was using, starting with Hide and Seek, and really pack in the lower lash line. It's like literally a light gray brown color. So I'm just going to pack in my lower lash line. I'm going to take Flip Out, which is the brown color, go into my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take All Nighter, which is the black color. And then I'm going to go in the outer corner of the lash line. And this is what I always do to try to tie the top with the bottom. I take my blending brush and carefully blend upward and bringing it up to create this kind of like wingy look with just eyeshadow. And if you have to go back in with like eyeshadows and stuff to like really tie it together, you can. If you want, you can take some of the colors that we used before. I'm gonna take a little bit of Swoop. That way it creates like this like wingy look and ties the top and the bottom smoky together. To brighten up the look, I'm gonna actually go back into the palette and I'm going to take the color Pillow Fight. I'm actually gonna mix Break Free and Pillow Fight, but I'm gonna go with Pillow Fight first, which is like this light beige color. It's a little shimmery. And I'm gonna go into the tear ducts and brighten it up a little because I felt like it was getting real smoky. And then I'm gonna take the color Break Free right here, which is like a light silver shimmery color, and I'm gonna go in the tear ducts again just to brighten up the look. You know, it was getting like so dark. So now I'm gonna rosy up the look because I feel like we have a lot of cool tones in right now. And I'm gonna take the Laura Geller Baked Blush-n-Brighten blush in the color Tropic Hues, and we're gonna rosy up the cheeks. So this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. Take a blush brush. I'm gonna line my lips. And then I'm gonna do my lips with this Hank & Henry Beauty Lip Aesthetic Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this color is called Petal Pusher. I love it. Look how cute this is. Obsessed. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. And I'm done. Alright guys, so that's it for my smoky eye and bold lip makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I am loving this look. I know I'm going to be wearing darker makeup for the fall and winter. I always like to do a smoky eye for holiday parties, and it's going to be Halloween soon, and like literally just like colder weather, sweaters, so I like to glam it up. So I'm super excited to do this look. If you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs up the video and also click on the subscribe button below. And if you guys want to subscribe to the Boxycharm subscription service, make sure to click on the link below as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful fall and holiday season. Bye guys. Mwah.
Fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah.
What's up guys? Heading to LAX, going to New York for New York Fashion Week. Usually I feel like I'm in the car at like 4 a.m. heading on a 6 a.m. but today we're taking a red eye. I'm here with Chantel.
Hi.